Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ITUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, but it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, including yesterday. So that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And another day and another higher high and higher low. So the uptrend continues. So let's get some updates here made. First I'm going to do is just house clean and get rid of that line there. As I've said in past videos, from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to, risk causing confusion with clutter all over the place via lines. So as soon as lines become kind of irrelevant due to where the price is currently at, I just get rid of them, like I said, in the spirit of keeping this as clean as possible. So the first update, though, comes about from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So right here around the 415 mark, give or take, I talked about in yesterday's video as a level of resistance. And as I said in regards to that rule, when the resistances are broken, you want to see them act as support. And you could throw this right into a textbook because this is exactly what happened. Price broke above it. And then you can see here the bears tried on several occasions to push down through it, but this level here held like a champ in terms of a support. So yeah, classic example of resistance, formerly right there, now acting as support. And that would be the ideal area of support going forward. I mean, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Definitely if the price can stay up above 415. Now in the event the price falls below it, by no means is the entire chart ruined, but as far as best case scenarios are concerned, in my opinion at least, hanging up above 415 would truly be a huge sign of power. As far as the big picture of things, nothing has changed here. So for those of you that maybe this is the first video you've watched, just use that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, as the name implies. That purple line is going to move as time goes by. So as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, full health, however you can best visualize that. No questions asked. As far as levels of resistance, not even going to talk about those at this point because really, right now, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing in terms of building these higher bases, then, it's not like you have to look at any other charts for an example. Just look back at the history of this one. As long as the price keeps on building these higher bases, then the long-term chart will keep on taking care of itself, which includes breaking those areas of resistance. So overall, another great day, and as long as the price stays above that purple line, bulls are in full control. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.